Chunk overlap. Chunk overlap is the amount of shared text between neighboring chunks when you split a document into pieces for retrieval or processing by an AI model. A simple way to picture chunk overlap is like reading a book with sliding windows. Each window shows a few paragraphs, and you slide it forward so the next view still includes part of what you just read. That repeated region keeps the story coherent from one window to the next, so the model does not lose context at the boundaries between chunks. In a RAG question answering system, you might split a long technical report into chunks of 500 tokens with a 100 token overlap, so key sentences that span a boundary appear in both chunks. This makes it more likely that similarity search, using embeddings like the ones described in our Embeddings in AI video, retrieves a chunk that still contains the full context needed to answer the question correctly. Chunk overlap matters because it trades off coherence against cost. More overlap preserves context across chunk boundaries, but increases storage, indexing, and retrieval work. In practice, tuning overlap together with chunk size helps RAG systems avoid missing crucial sentences at the edges, making answers from large language models more accurate and less brittle.